Greetings, everyone. This is your weekly science update from your 7th grade science teacher here at MCMS, Mrs. Bowling. This week has been truly exciting in our science laboratory. We started out the week with a reading activity to help us use those expository reading skills of skimming and scanning with science text. Tuesday, we completed a virtual lab dealing with thermal insulators where we had to decide which material would make the best insulator for a home. Wednesday, we've had a really fun lab that dealt with the idea of thermal expansion. Last week, we'd already learned that thermal expansion was the process that causes thermometers to work, and the reason that you can take the lid off of a jar easier if you run it under hot water first. This week, we reinforced those ideas with the Super Ball Bouncy Lab. Our overall findings were that a super ball placed in cold ice water had a higher bounce because its molecules were more compact, due to the idea that items that are cold have molecules that are closer packed together. Thursday, we explored an experiment dealing with radiant heat energy and looked at the properties of two metal cans, one painted black and one that was silver. We noticed that after the data was collected, that the silver can's temperature did not increase as rapidly nor as high as the black can. This can be attributed to the fact that the black can absorb more of the radiant energy coming from the heat lamp, just like when you wear dark-colored clothes in the summer and you get hot. We wrapped up the week with a great assignment discovery video on heat and temperature, which did a great job reflecting all that we had learned thus far in our unit on heat and temperature. Next week is going to prove to be just as exciting as we have great labs and experiments planned for almost every single day, including our famous ice cream lab. Some reminders that you need to be aware of. Homework should be turned in on the day that it's due, which usually means the next class period. Homework assignments that are turned in late result in a reduction of points on your grade, and if they're 2 weeks past overdue, they won't be accepted. It's your responsibility to see Mrs. Bowling if you're missing a homework. She's not going to track you down. We hope you have a great weekend and look forward to a fun day in the science lab come Monday.